Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with power and the app. Plug the V380 Pro into a wall outlet and watch the LED for the startup blink. That indicates it's ready for pairing. Meanwhile, install V380 Pro on your phone, grant the app location and Bluetooth permissions so scanning works. Make sure your router broadcasts a 4 GHz SSID and have its password handy. The camera will not join 5 GHz. Once done, you're ready to enter pairing mode. Now you'll put the camera into pairing and connect it to your network. If prompted, press and hold the reset button until the LED alternates to AP mode. Some units show a QR. In the app, choose Add Device, follow prompts to either scan the QR or connect your phone to the camera's temporary Wi-Fi. Once linked, type your 4 GHz SSID and password in the app so the camera can join your home network. Wait for the app to show a heartbeat or online status. Finish by personalizing and securing the camera. In the app, name the V380 Pro clearly, set a strong admin password, and enable any available encryption options. This prevents unauthorized access. Tune motion sensitivity, set recording schedules, and enable push notifications so you only get relevant alerts. Check live view and update firmware if offered. If the camera stays offline, try rebooting, confirm 4 GHz credentials, or perform a factory reset and repeat pairing. That single reset often resolves stubborn pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.